Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS Amplify social login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with AWS Amplify social login, first, ensure you have an AWS account. Next, open the AWS Management Console. Once you're logged into the console, navigate to the Amplify service. Click on Get Started to create a new Amplify application. Choose the option to connect app and select your repository provider. After selecting your repository, connect to it by following the prompts. Once your app is connected, configure your build settings. On the left sidebar, find and click on Authentication. Now, click on Add Authentication to set up your authentication flow. In the authentication settings, choose Social Providers. Select the social login providers you want to enable, such as Google, Facebook, or Amazon. For each provider, you'll need to provide specific credentials. Begin with Google by clicking on the Google option. You will then need to create a Google Cloud project. In the Google Cloud console, follow the steps to set up the OAuth consent screen. Next, create OAuth 2.0 credentials within that project. Copy the client ID and client secret from the Google Cloud project. Return to the Amplify console and paste these credentials into the appropriate fields. Now, repeat these steps for other social login providers you wish to integrate. Once all providers are configured, scroll down and click on Save. This will apply your changes and configure your social login. Next, you will need to integrate Amplify into your front-end application. Start by installing the AWS Amplify library using npm or yarn. Then, configure Amplify in your application code. Import Amplify and the auth module from AWS Amplify. Next, configure Amplify with your Amplify configuration object. To initiate social login, use the author federated sign-in method. Pass the provider's name as an argument to this method. For example, to initiate Google login, use author federated sign-in, provider, Google. Now, handle the authentication response in your application. You can display a loading spinner while waiting for the authentication response. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.